560. How's your day?
Always fine.
Very good. Thank you for making business. 560, guys and gals. I'm gonna give her 440 change, okay? Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful blessings. Day 71 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel depressed. Your dreams will never push through or will not push through, okay? So be aware and observe. Avoid those people. Thank you so much. 560. Last week, my highest was Thursday, 620. Thank you. Earn, save, invest. Hi. Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.